Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out these attachments for the hoover or the vacuum cleaner. It has all sorts of let's say like heads or attachments or extensions to be able to clean your computer, keyboard, other electronic devices, and around the dashboard in the car. So that's what we are going to do. I'm going to use it at the car, at the dashboard. As you see, there are different shapes, and some has a brush, some doesn't have a brush. Anywho, let's kick it. Oh, just a bit of small print. I received it from automoshowebshop.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. Alrighty, boys and girls, that was it. I really liked it. It was very easy to work with. As you've seen, I managed to get rid of the dirt from in between the buttons and the cracks and other crevices. I can hands on heart recommend it. Of course, you can do the very same just by using a brush and the hoover itself, but for me this one was more comfortable because of the flexible pipe. I could just move it in an angle however I just wanted it to, and it worked very well. Anywho, that was it about this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.